Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to make cartoon effect. Okay, for example, I will open this photo, and if you want to create cartoon effect, you can go to filter menu, click on filter gallery. After it, in here we can go to artistic and choose for the poster edge. Now you can set for the posterization into 0 and then edge intensity into 0, and this is for activeness you can set into 3. After done you can click OK. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to make a cartoon effect. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.